Hi friends, welcome on YourPedia, and this video is related to the interview of Goa Shipyard. Many of you have got the call from this organization, and let me tell you how you can get the most important information from the website of any organization. One of the common mistakes students do is that when they get the call from particular organization, they do not see the website of that organization. Normally, when you go to the interview, the panel asks you some questions from the website, like where is our head office, what was the history, who is the CMD of the organization, who are the directors, what are the main products, what are our functions, what are the various business verticals. So these are the things which you can get from the website of any organization. Let me tell you about the Goa Shipyard. So when you open this website, you'll find about us, and in about us you should know about the history of this, vision and mission of this, and maybe sometime organization chart and chairman, managing director and board of directors. These are the things you should know it. So sometime they ask you who is the CMD of the organization and what is his background, like Brajesh Kumar Upadhyay, he is the CMD, and then little bit you should know about what is his background. He is a BE in electrical engineering, so suppose you are also electrical engineer, so they can always ask you like what is the background of CMD, who is the CMD of the organization. Those kind of details you should know from the website. So I'm very sure you will open the website and you will note down these things in your copy. Similarly, you should know about board of directors also. Sometime they will ask you like, are you aware about who are the other directors, like who is the director planning, who is the director finance, who is the director HR. These kind of questions normally they will ask you, and they will also ask you about the profiles of these. Profile mean what are the details of this. So if you are from finance background, you should know about that also. So name of the CMD, his background, name of the directors, little bit about the directors, not nominated directors but full-time directors. History, sometimes they will ask you what is the history of particular organization. So history of this organization and what this organization is all about, and what this organization is doing, when was it created, Vasco da Gama and all these things, so it is detail is mentioned in this particular organization. So you should know about what this Goa Shipyard is. So they are mentioning about the inherent strengths of Goa Shipyard. So this particular document is very, very important. You should know about details of this document. What is Goa Shipyard and what this organization is all about. So you will read something from this, right? So 1961, after Goa's liberation, so when was Goa liberated and all, so that entire detail is given here. You should read this particular thing here. Then vision and mission of that organization should be there. So what is the vision, what is the mission? These are the very, very important lines to become world-class shipyard, shipbuilding yard to meet maritime needs of indigenous export market. So this is what they want to do. So they want to become the organization where ship design, construction, repair and other things can be done. So that vision and mission. Organizational chart may sometimes they will tell you who is the CMD, then how many are directors, so those kind of things they will tell you. And then you can go for various services which they give. So what are the different services are offered in Goa Shipyard, and ship repair, ship retrofitting, refitting, and also general engineering services are done. So he will ask you, are you aware what activities are going on in Goa Shipyard? क्या करते हैं हम लोग? तो आपको पता होना चाहिए ये सर जनरल इंजीनियरिंग का भी काम होता है, शिप रिपेयर का काम होता है, शिप रेट्रोफिटिंग का काम होता है. सो फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग यू शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट व्हाट एक्चुअली यू डू इन गोवा शिपयार्ड. And then what are the various products of Goa Shipyard? So these are some of the products. They will ask you, are you aware what kind of products Goa Shipyard has? क्या बनाता है Goa Shipyard, किस चीज़ की रिपेयर करता है? So वो आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया होना चाहिए कि what is the main product. Who are our main clients? So Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard, ONGC, ये कुछ clients हैं Goa Shipyard के. अगर आपने एक बार नोट किया होगा इनको, if you go through the website and if you note down these things, you will be aware about this. And then what are the various facilities? कहाँ पे हम बेसिकली शिप फैसिलिटी कहाँ पे हैं, शिप लिफ्ट फैसिलिटी एट्सेट्रा, वो दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट यू शुड बी नोइंग. and then obviously you can think of some of the latest news if it is available somewhere. That is from where you can find it out. So friends, these are some of the information. Spend some 1 day or 1 or 2 hours on the website and I am very sure आपको इसके बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा. एटलीस्ट जो मैंने आपको बताया उनको जरूर विजिट कर लेना. नंबर 2, वी विल प्रोवाइड यू डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफ कपल ऑफ पेजेस अबाउट गोवा शिपयार्ड and go through that. Some questions in your interview are possibly asked from the organization. So why you want to join Goa shipyard, which one is the largest shipyard in India, what is so special about it, which location in वास्को डिगामा एक जगह है जहाँ पे गोवा शिपयार्ड है, गोवा में कहाँ पे है ये. सो दोज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस गोवा के बारे में पूछ लेगा, गोवा कब बना था. सो दोज थिंग्स यू शुड बी अवेयर. रिवाइज करो इसको, YourPedia का डॉक्यूमेंट लो एंड स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग for the interview of Goa shipyard. Thank you.